Yeah, here it is. Are you excited? I'm also excited. Wow!
Oh no!
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my reward that I got from Abner's review. So if you haven't subscribed yet to his channel, you can visit his channel. Just search on YouTube Abner's review so you can be updated on his giveaways every month, and you can also join so you can have a chance to win also his amazing contest or giveaways. So finally, yeah, here it is. Come on, let's open it up. Go! Are you excited? I'm also excited. So let's have a peek. Wow! What do you think is inside of this box? Finally, it's done. It's open.
Oh no!
Wow! Finally, nabuksan na rin yung bubble wrap. Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda niya! Diba? So, it's an exclusive gift. Thank you so much to Sir Abner's review. Thank you so much for this wonderful gift that you have sent to me. Tada! Wow! Wow! So, as as you can see, it's a selfie stick. So it's an exclusive selfie package. Selfie package, so I guess. So that's it. Thank you so much. So this one is a selfie stick. A selfie stick. Wow, I so love the color. I love color black. So, and there's a button right there. And next is, wow, it's I don't know what's this for, but it's amazing. And also we got here a USB cord for this USB fan cord. Wow, that's so cool. So here. Wow, thank you. It's so nice. I love the color, you know. Color of Team Sana All. And also we got a, what's this? Oh, a cell phone stand. Wow, that's so nice. Thank you so much. So that's all. So we got a cell phone stand, a USB fan, and then a CP holder, and of course the selfie stick. So that's it. I'm super grateful. I love it all. Thank you so much to Abner's Review for this wonderful gift that you have given to me. Thank you so much. And now let's shout out.
Shout out everyone! Thank you for watching!
So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below for more updates on my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye!